All right, we got the 16 gauge steel in for the floor. So we're going to cut it to size and weld it on. And then we're going to make, in the next video, the wheel wells out of 16 gauge steel as well. All right, we got the big piece cut. Left about a ½ inch around the edge to weld to. Now we're going to tack it in place. The floor is tack welded on. So now we're going to go along and finish the weld. All right, we got about half the welding done. I just weld it every few inches or so to keep the heat down, keep the warping to a minimum. Here you can see the bottom welds all finished up. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the inside. Now that the floor is welded on from the bottom, we're going to add some welds to fix it from the inside so it doesn't sag. Maybe not my prettiest welding, but it should definitely hold the floor together. And here's the first test fit of the cabin on top of the frame. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.